friend. I am Mayank and I am on my YouTube channel, and it is my first video in YouTube. I am going to present 7C communication. It is both time saving and cost saving. Now, introduction of 7C communication. This message is said to be effective when the receiver understands the same meaning that the sender was intended to convey. For any communication in businesses, in order to be effective, it must have 7 qualities. These 7 attributes are called 7C of effective business communication. That means in every businessman use this terminology for our business to communicate our client for growth our business. Use of 7C. The 7C are clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, courteous. Now we move in first 7C, clear. Your communication should be absolute or clear. When writing or speaking to someone, be clear about your goal or message. What is your purpose in communication with this person? If you are not sure, then your audience will not be sure either. To be clear, try to minimize the number of ideas in each sentence. Make sure that is easy for your reader to understand your meaning. People should not have to read between the lines and make assumptions on their own. Understand what you are trying to say. The second one is concise. Your communication should be brief or concise. When you are concise in your communication, you stick to the point and keep it brief. Your audience does not want to read 6 sentences when you could communicate your message in there. The next is concrete. Your communication should be solid or concrete. When your message is concrete, then your audience has a clear picture of what you are telling them. There are details but not too many, and rich fact, and their laser like focus. Your message is solid. The next one is correct. Your message should be correct and right. You cannot communicate wrong message with your audience. The next is coherent. Or your communication should be logical or coherent. When your communication is coherent, it is logical. All communication are connected and relevant to the main topic, and the tone and flow of the text is consistent. The next terminology is complete. In a complete message, the audience has everything they need to be informed and if applicable take action in complete communication or absolute of communication. The next one is and last one is courteous, and you can say polite. Courteous communication is friendly, open and honest. There are no hidden insult or passive aggressive tone. You keep your reader viewpoint in mind and you are empathic to their need. This 7C communication is benefit your businesses, your presentation in your boss and your day-to-day life. All of us communicate every day. The better we communicate, the more credibility we will have with our client, our boss and our colleague. Use of 7C communication as a checklist for all of your communication. By doing this, you will stay clear, conscious, concrete, coherent, correct, complete and courteous. Thank you for watching this channel.